Okay. Hello, everyone. I guess there's a bit of a delay. Encoding overload. Consider turning down video settings. Okay. Well, it looks like it's going okay. Okay. Well, we'll see. It says it's live. I do want to check quickly and make sure that this actually is working. Okay, it looks like it is. So hello everyone. Welcome to my lazy Sunday bathtub stream. And yeah. So I guess we're gonna get started. We're gonna work on Apache Spark release and Apache Spark release candidates and a Dask book. And I like working from the bathtub. It's a place which I enjoy. I think the audio and the video are a little out of sync. I think I'm not entirely sure how to fix that. But that's okay. That's okay. We're gonna go back to our normal scene. Here we go. And first things first, we are going to SSH to come back here. Full screen, please. Okay. Was I doing the Spark release inside of this screen session? Don't know. I thought I was, but it looks like I was, but I'm not 100% sure. Let's go take a look. Temp Spark working dir 2 output build.log. Okay. So we'll read the build.log. Oh, interesting. Remote and hung up unexpectedly. That's weird. This is Windows 0. Okay, that honestly makes some sense. Okay, so I'm guessing then we can go take a look at the announce template. But yeah, I don't think it's, yeah. Okay. So I think we can safely say essentially like that the previous attempt did not work. RM, RF, temp, temp Spark. And then the next thing that we're gonna do here is we're gonna call. Oh, thank you for the heads up. That's weird. That's very weird. So the screen session... Oh... Fucking OBS. Oh, yeah. Okay. Do. There we go. How about now? Is this, Is this better? Yeah, thanks. Thanks for the heads up. Thanks for letting me know. So, what is it that I was going to do? Oh, so many things. Okay. Oh. Okay, let's go look up how to do Spark releases again, because fucked if I remember. It's been several days since I tried to roll a Spark release. But thankfully, we wrote it down, which is really, really key when you have more than 3 people doing a thing, or if one of those people is me and memory is shit. So, first thing that I'm going to do, just while we're here, I'll check what branch I'm on. Cool. I'm just going to pull the latest GitHub, Apache Spark master. Just in case there's been any like improvements to the release script, because that happens now and again. So we don't need to generate the key. There we go. So this is the magic script, do-release, which, okay. Okay. We're doing branch 3.1. Yeah, 313. RC2, we don't actually need to roll a new RC. We're just going to reuse the existing tag. Yeah, that information is all correct. Cool. I'm going to put something else on my clipboard so I don't accidentally copy pasta. So that's looking good. So we're gonna start doing the Spark release now for 313 RC2. Meow, I'm doing bathtub stream. Oh, hello, Professor Zoris.
Hello, Professor.
Oh. Who's my new star? Let's go back to bathtub mode. Professor, come on, pause up. Oh, Professor, pause. Professor.
You want some Cheetos? There's a roast bowl.
I don't want to eat the treat.
I don't really know what he wants, but he definitely wants something. I think it might have been getting us in the same room.
That does sound like our little buddy. Oh no.
How much of like the messy part of our bathroom is visible?
Well,
oh, this edits out the counters.
it also stopped working just now.
Oh.
The bathtub audio is the bathtub source just stopped working.
Oh. That bathtub camera is
What?
so like it seems like it's had a lot of issues.
How dare you? How dare you?
It fell down.
There we go. I fixed the camera.
Like when it fell
Come on,
down,
Professor.
that was kind of scary.
Come on. Oh, there we go.
I spilled coffee on my robe.
Oh, I'm
and
sorry.
On the kitchen floor.
That's pretty normal for our life, though, right? Like that's our life.
That scrunchie doesn't smell enough, so he doesn't like it.
Oh, here. Where is it?
Here's a scrunchie.
There we go.
No, that's not a. Oh, you wanted a scrunchie.
Well, yeah. Now it'll smell more.
Ah.
Cause I'll wear it in my hair and it'll smell.
That's why he likes Mika and Jenna. They have scrunchies.
Yeah, and they don't like fucking wash their hair very often. Actually, no. Mika washes her hair all the fucking time.
No, Jenna washes her hair a lot, but I don't think anyone washes their scrunchies.
Fair.
Like, can you wash a scrunchie?
I don't know. I've never washed a scrunchie, so yeah.
Oh my. Somehow, for ID pictures in middle school, it was done on Crazy Hair Day, or I just decided to do that. And
That
I
sounds
had
like you.
scrunchy pigtails.
Hmm.
But it was like, it wasn't the 90s, but it was the Midwest in the early 2000s, so they were waffle fabric, like thermal. Like, why would you put that fabric in your hair?
Oh, hello, my professor. Oh,
Do you
hello.
want me to pick you up?
Okay. So one of the things which really annoys me about Dask, which is what we're going to be writing about now, while the Spark release gets started, is
So much less undercoat.
just like a bunch of shit where it's like these parameters, right? Like it's the same parameter, but it has a completely different meaning, right? So read HDFS, the chunk size is number of records specified as an integer. But if we were to be reading Parquet files, or is it Parquet? No, Parquet doesn't even have chunk size. Oh God. It's CSV where it's got a chunk size. Oh no, it's block size. Okay, it is different parameters. It's just, yeah.
The water isn't deep enough for him to drink it.
Should we make the water deeper or should we not do that? Because, you know.
I don't know. I'm looking for a cup because he likes drinking out of a cup. But your cup is coffee and the dog doesn't need coffee. Oh my God, put it in Canto. The one Towns kid who was just always drinking coffee.
Oh,
and
yeah.
She said children shouldn't have coffee, but at the end he drinks the coffee and like.
Yeah. No, it's pretty great.
Yeah. The movie's been out long enough, and that's not like enough of a part that it's a spoiler. Yeah.
Yeah, no, that's fine.
Yeah. There's townsfolk. I like that. I like the movie, but I don't think the ending was very realistic.
Yeah, because that's not.
It's not my family. Maybe in other families the grandma could apologize.
No.
No?
That's the biggest complaint. Oh, buddy, are you okay? Oh.
You're okay. Are you
Yeah.
okay? Yeah, it's slippery up here. I think that at some point we should redo this bathtub.
To have.
And it should have a ledge for our boy.
Oh, what if instead we built it out of wood?
This
Yeah.
could be an excuse for me to make things out of wood again. I could make a little professor like stick. Okay, so like professor steps
but like also storage cubbies. And then all the shit that's on the floor right here, which a lot of it we could probably
Like little storage cubbies would actually be really great.
yeah, little storage cubbies that also has like a deck on top for him to sit.
Yeah, or like the stair storage cubbies so we can walk. Yeah, that would be
like
fucking
stair
amazing.
storage, but little. The floor vent is in a like tricky spot for that.
Don't worry, we could just like have one of the storage cubbies like cut a hole in the bottom of it and not put anything in it.
One of the storage cubbies exists for the floor vent.
Yeah. Yay! Happy New Year, Ishan.
How much does a table? Like, is it reasonable to like?
It is reasonable to do a woodworking project because you want to do a woodworking project. I write software and I write books because that's what I want to do. But like,
I'm a little worried about cutting my thumb off.
okay, that's a different concern. You should take some classes.
So like, I'm worried about like.
Oh, and we should get better insurance for you.
Table saws are terrifying.
Yeah, maybe don't use a table saw.
But like a table saw is like how you get the pieces to the right size.
Can't you do it by hand in a way where you don't lose your thumb?
So instead I could do a fancy table saw that's got all the guarding and shit.
Remember the ones at Maker Shop?
I never went to Maker Shop.
They had the fancy ones where if it detected water,
it throws apart.
Yeah.
The hot dog one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If we're gonna get a table saw, given who we are, I think we should save up the money and get the special hot dog one.
So I was actually thinking of getting like the stool, it's like a whole little set, and it's almost like an upside down table saw, so the blade is going down.
Okay.
But you can't do, motherfucking,
That's the location of the data to be.
yeah, I should get the magic thumb table saw. Because then I want it, and the dovetails. You can do dovetails if you have a table saw without like taking forever. So instead of doing like 2 dovetails, I could do like 5. Like, I don't actually know how dovetails work. I don't know if they have to be odd or even numbers.
I don't know either, but I know that our professor is enjoying the bathtub stream because family's hanging out together.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so location can either be a wildcard path of files, list of files, concrete file location, or concrete file location.
Yeah, he definitely needs stairs.
Oh yeah, no, like our buddy loves the ability to get around and be close to us, and we need to build him more stairs. Like, I think that's always true.
It will help him age in place.
Yeah, because like he's got his stairs into our beds and he loves those stairs.
Mm-hmm.
And when they're not there, he is upset.
Oh man, so you know that woodworking guy I watch on YouTube who does all this shit that's like just insanely fancy? He made this like, I don't know, all the shit he makes is like $15,000-$20,000. So he made this like gorgeous bed, but they have a like Timbit sized dog, so they had matching stairs to get into the bed, and it was like, oh my fucking god, they were beautiful, but they were also like all sorts of like special wood and shit. Like when you're woodworking, the quality of your wood is like kinda,
Yeah.
paramount.
Body that tickles. Okay, so white rabbit tattoo
Mm-hmm.
on a scale of basic to caramel frappuccino.
Wait,
Okay.
so is it White Rabbit Alice in Wonderland or is it White Rabbit Matrix? Okay, so I think if it's a White Rabbit Matrix, it's a lot cooler than if it's White Rabbit Alice in Wonderland.
Really?
Because Alice in Wonderland is some basic transposing.
But like, so is the Matrix.
Like, but the Matrix is like, so the Matrix is like nerd basic,
Okay.
and like Alice in Wonderland is like every stoner girl who thinks she's so random. Like White Rabbit the Matrix is like, I guess there's a difference between White Rabbit and Alice in Wonderland. Like, I think Alice in Wonderland is like way too basic, and I think that it's like, I don't know, I think it's like fucking pumpkin spice latte. Like, it's okay if you like it, but like,
I do like my
it's
pumpkin
okay
spice
if you like
latte.
pumpkin spice. And it's okay if you buy a pumpkin spice latte pillow.
Hey buddy.
Couch.
Oh buddy.
But there's also the like White Rabbit Jefferson Airplane way to do it.
Buddy, no, you can't lick my ears. They're gross.
That's why he wants to lick them. Do you think he would?
Oh my god, Carolyn, he's trying to look at this. He's putting his paw on my shoulder. That's just so cute, isn't it?
That's what he does.
But like, that's just adorable as all hell.
I wish he could sit on our shoulders like a cat. Like, he would have to be a little bit more bendy, and I think I would have to be a little bit like more large.
Yeah, I'm worried that I like knocked him out of bed last night.
Oh, I knock him out of bed all the time. Like, my brother's shoulders are large enough to carry a Timbit-sized creature around like a pirate, and that would be fucking rad. I wish you could do that. Like me and you. Not like you. Like, if he wanted to. I'm talking to the dog.
Pardon me. I understand. Okay, so here we're gonna load. Okay, CSV. Gender pay gap with specified types. Okay. Actually, go ahead and do this, because that way it's maybe a little bit easier for people to read. With full inference. Oh, yeah, okay, with so there we go. Okay.
You don't jingle when you shake it for doing up a bell. Still have a bunch of gunk on your arm. No, you do. You do. Sorry, you make
Oh shit, no, this is CSV one, I want to say, that's HDFS, okay, CSV. Okay. So, sample. Oh, it doesn't, god damn it.
if you right here, if you line where we get stuck down, and then you can close that.
And then what we'll do here.
Okay, out of the garbage. Yeah, no, you don't need to eat the garbage. You know what, you want your earwax back? Yeah.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is, I want to show people how to load CSV data, and I also want to talk about the type inference. And yeah, here we go.
She did a treat for being a good girl. Good shit.
Heck yeah. Fuck yeah. I am stoked.
Josh had so much.
He's a Sheltie, that's his job.
Like, I know, but like, just, you're 8 pounds.
So this looks like maybe, god damn it, fucking sample doesn't work. Bullshit. Sorry, I hate computers.
I know you do. Computers are terrible.
Okay, so in theory we could fix this with sample. So okay, I guess we're gonna write a warning here. Okay. CSV files are an interesting case, as unlike other data types, they don't have any schema information encoded with them. CSV and JSON files, unlike self-describing data types. Dask will instead Dask data frames need to know the types of the different rows, the different columns, so as to serialize the data correctly. Mhm. Look at the first few records and try to guess what the data types for a given column are. Unfortunately, this does not always work. For example, if you try and load the UK's dexterity data.
I'm sorry, the professor's probably gonna follow me.
That's okay. That's the life.
Okay.
What is it? It's Kaiser. You haven't had Kaiser in forever.
Oh god, these expired in 2016. Where the fuck did these come from?
Should probably chuck them. I mean, like, at the pharmacy, because, you know.
Yeah, it's like hydrocodone from 2016. I don't know if it would still work even.
It would, but... Snuggle love! Okay, where are we going with this? Oh. Wait, Carolyn! Can I trick you into doing something for me? You wanna guess?
More coffee?
Bestest friend!
Yeah, I bring more coffee.
Thanks, Pooh Bear. Do you want my cup?
Okay.
Okay. Snuggle love. Thank you, Pooh Bear.
And I think the boy's gonna sing soon.
Yeah. He was well trained. He was very well trained. Do okay, well, at least that's building. Probably. And what I learned from last time is not to run PSAUX because that will show my password because the script is not really designed for live streaming, which is fine. Which is fine, I think. My use cases are maybe weird. While Carolyn is getting more coffee for me because she's amazing, we are going to warm up the bathtub. That was probably a close-up of my crotch. Sorry, y'all. Thank you for coffee, Cooper. Oh, hello, Professor. Pause up. Pause up. No pause up. Oh, is your coffee filled with selfie glitter, by the way?
Yeah.
I heard you saying about that this morning.
It's still got
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, yeah. Number love you, Professor. Yeah. Number love you, Professor. Oh, you lost the boy inside, which is okay, but you might be sad. Close. Yeah. Each of the data format has its own way of specifying the desired partitioning. the okay, more. Warm enough for me. Okay. I wish I knew why this was taking so long. But that's alright. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. So what we'll do here is we're gonna put in a note. In theory, you can have Dask sample more records by specifying more bytes with the sample parameter, but this does not currently work. Data set. But okay. As of the writing, this does not work. This does not resolve the problem. Yeah. To resolve this, okay, yeah. When Dask's column type inference is incorrect, you can overload it, override it per column by specifying load UK gender pay gap. Access the data as in ex load UK gender pay gap inferred. Okay. Load CSV and specify data type. Load CSV depending entirely on inference. So here's what we're gonna do. This is not needed for the load, but lazy. We need to trigger compute for Dask to evaluate the data frame and notice the error. The df.compute. Okay. We'll just go ahead and okay. One day this should work, but for now it does not. It does not, and we get the same error as if we had not sampled the entire CSVR. Okay, cool. Works for me. Works for me. So much spam on YouTube. Let's go block those spammers really quickly. Report spam. Report spam and report spam. Okay. Much fun, much fun. So how are we doing? Well, honestly, I'm kind of bored. So I think we're gonna wrap up. I'll probably come back tomorrow, and we'll finish up the Spark release then. We'll leave it to run now. But it's a Sunday, and I'm doing okay. I'm gonna go do other things. But thanks so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. We did a little bit of writing. We did a little bit of other things, whatever they were. Oh yeah, Spark release stuff. And most importantly, we got to try out the new camera up there for my first bathtub stream, and I'll work on getting the timing more aligned in the future. I do want to leave, let's leave myself a comment. Return here. Okay, cool. So thanks everyone. I'll see you all around. Bye.